Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and we're here today to talk about our craft that will be available to you on the 28th of June. It will be available to you that whole week. And here you have a visor, and you have stickers, plenty of stickers to put on it, and here are your directions. So if this were my visor, I have U, have an A. What do you think is missing? Yep, an S is missing. And these just peel off like that. And I'll turn it, and I would probably put mine in the middle. I'd put the S, and I would put the U right here. And just peel it off. And you put U, S, and then the next one is A for United States of America, okay? And since we have a holiday coming up, you might want to wear your visor if you do anything for the 4th of July. And I'm going to make mine look like this. I'm going to use an A right like that. Then you have other stickers that you can put on. You have a lot of stars. You have a red one. You have a light blue one, and you just peel the back off just like this, and you put them anywhere. Oh, I think I want a blue one there. Put them anywhere you want them to go, and then you have two larger stickers. Oh, I'm going to put that one right there. It's like a firework. And then this one is also like that, and I'm probably going to put that one here. And you have white stars, and you have a really nice big white star. That would probably, I don't even know. I think I'm going to put it right there. I'm just going to put another white star. Oh, let's see, where should I? I like one there. And you still have a red and a blue left, and you can put them anywhere on here that you want. And when you're finished, then you have little slits right here, and you match it together so that your visor will fit your head. And you just put them together like this. Mine's gonna fold over, okay? You just do them like this and get them all hooked up together, and then you have your visor that you can wear if you go somewhere during the holidays, during the summer, and it'll keep you cool. And don't forget, sign up for our summer reading program and win prizes and win free books, and we hope to see you soon. Enjoy your visors, everybody. Bye.